Welcome to Photoshop Art. If you're trying to make robots with Stable Diffusion, and they don't look good, you're on the right place. I'm gonna show you how to make cool robots like this. Open the link in the video description, and download the Robo Diffusion model. Save it where your Stable Diffusion is installed. Models. Stable Diffusion. Save it here. The file is 4 GB, so be patient. After that, open your Stable Diffusion. Select the Robo Diffusion model. To invoke this style, keep these 2 words towards the beginning of your prompt. After that, type whatever you want. This is Photoshop Art. Thanks for watching.